Okay, so I'm at the house, and if you follow my daughter's channel, you would have seen that they actually cut the tree back right here, and this tree has really grown up because I planted this tree when I had this house built. So I want some more of this tree taken away, and I'm getting ready to hand saw. Oh my gosh. I want a lot of this gone and maybe even some more over there. Y'all can see this apparatus I'm using, but this is barbaric. Like, I called my aunt and I was like, "Aunt, how your chainsaw?" She said, "I ain't got no chainsaw, I got a regular saw." So again, I'm thinking, not this.
When you use that, you have muscles like this. See that?
Oh, okay. So we're going that. So she's showing her pythons off. Meanwhile, I got some salamanders. Okay. Noodles. All right.
Like this.
Yeah, man.
So, let's split.
Oh, sorry, tree.
The tree huggers gonna get me.
Let me see what she looked like from the street next. I'm gonna try to see what I can get out of it. Try to see.
It'll take 5 men to move that.
It's a lot, I know. But still. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Drag it on to the back and push it off the cliff.
It's okay, mate. We got it. I did pretty good. I cut a lot of the tree down. I even cut me some firewood to take home. Drug all the limbs. Get my little company. Hey, grandson. You just relaxing with mama? You out here relaxing with Petey Pop stuff? And so I got this little pile of limbs left. I'll get mixed to drag that. But I cut this. What's the matter with him stuff? Is you sleepy? Grandson. Okay, he's such a sweet boy. Oh, he's so sweet. What's the matter? What's the matter? So, now this is some nostalgia for you. This right here, from my OGs, sitting on the front porch back at the old farmhouse. I make everything a farmhouse, don't I? It's some nostalgia for you. Feels weird, but very familiar. Ain't that right? Look, y'all, I got me some readers. And when I tell you, these have saved my life. Oh, they dirty. These have saved my life. Oh, move, B. You know what? It's kind of a lot going on out here. I'm definitely in the country right now. Manx is in the country. This is very country. Where this house is. Readers. Oh my goodness, these are safe. I can now listen. When I'm live, well, I might have to get a little bit closer. But yeah, I can see now. So I'm gonna go buy about 25 pair so that I'll have them all over the house. What you matter, little sweet baby? Your mama is gone to the store to get me something to drink. Now I know I don't babysit often, but you ain't gotta treat me like this. You ain't gotta act like I'm a stranger. I see you all the time. Maybe not on one-on-one, but still. I still see him all the time. Him just wants some love. Oh, you hear the wind? Yeah. You feel the wind? Sweet boy. Sweet boy. These babies is the only reason I'm sitting right here on this porch eating, filming this video for y'all. For real. That's some true stuff, grandson. That's true stuff. Why are you so white? Every time you appear on camera with me, you know they be saying, who's that little white boy? Oh, what the? Okay. That literally gave me a heart attack. I thought that was something. I thought we were being attacked, grandson. But see, I ain't let you go, though. I held on to you. My brain was trying to process which direction and what I was about to do. Because I went into straight survival, grandma grizzly bear mode. You don't have a clue what was about to happen, do you? So, I don't know. I don't know what else to share with y'all. My throat. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I have tried everything. Everything. This may be my new voice. You would think a person with such a raspy voice would know how to sing, right? Still don't know how to sing, even with this voice. What you looking at? Is you falling asleep? You sleepy? Okay. I'm gonna turn you this way. It's okay. Go to sleep. I'm tired. I'm so tired. I don't know if it's because it's hot or I've just overexerted myself. I think today I'm gonna help her sand the walls down that she fixed. So it's not really a lot as far as that is concerned. Sanding it down and maybe one more coat. And then she can go ahead and start painting all of upstairs. Whatever color it is that she chooses. I may help with that, but that, I don't know. I'm just kind of over painting. And it'll give her something to do too. Give her some enjoyment, because she's really been putting in the work over here. Ain't that right? Yeah. Go ahead and take your nap. Kitty Pop got you, man. She got that baby. My good old neighbor across the street who watches the channel. Shout out to you, Dee Dee. Shout out to you. Sis be on it. She been my neighbor for a long time. And she watched the channel. She part of this family and my real family. A lucky girl. Did I tell y'all? I don't even know if I did or not. I don't even know what this video, like what all y'all even gonna see in this video. Probably all over the place. But I don't know if I shared it or not in case I haven't. And if I have, I'll edit it back out. But I did not find the chair, okay? So I returned all the other chairs, right? And I feel like it probably was the universe's way of saying, I know white sounds good, cream. I know that sounds good in another life, Sharon. In another life, at another time, you know, you could have got away with that. But, yeah. So, back to the drawing board as far as what I want in the room. But I'm honestly, you know what, I'm so glad. I think it's also the universe's way of saying, you didn't really want to do this project anyway, right? And here you are, home decor. It's all you're thinking about, home decor. But you still really don't want to do the room though. Anywho, y'all, shout out to everybody who tried to help me find the chair via Facebook or Instagram. Shout out to y'all. Thank you. I certainly appreciate it. But we'll figure something else out. I got plenty to do here, to be honest. Minx has some stuff that she got from, I don't even know where she got it from. She got some stuff from somewhere that we can DIY. I'm tired. She also has some stuff from her sister, my oldest daughter, that she left for her. That, grandson, I need these. Okay, let me have them. I really, yeah, I know you strong. You real strong. I need these. Okay, y'all got some different kind of bugs out here, grandson. I thought you was going to sleep. You changed your mind about it. Just never mind about a nap. Okay. Well, yeah, so she has some stuff we could do. I got plenty I could be over here doing. Burning from that tree workout. It was a good workout though. So glad to have it cut back. Anywho, y'all listen, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go. Thank y'all for coming over here to the old ranch. I mean the old farmhouse. Like old times. If you follow Minx's channel, you could spend a lot more time here in this very nostalgic piece of my history that I'm happy to pass along to you. I'm happy to pass it along to you and your siblings and you mama and you aunties and anybody else that need to come on here and stay that belongs to Sharon. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I'm so tired. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what auntie can do about her throat hoarseness, because it doesn't hurt, it's just scratchy. But yeah, okay, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.